Okay, good morning to all of you. So let's start our second session of ESIT. First of all, we have previously completed that the first exercise, that is we created that first web page by the HTML. I hope everyone is clear about that. Those who were absent, don't worry about that. That we have just started for the introductory part, and then after we will cover that first exercise of the HTML. So the students are done their own system. Is it correct? Clear, everyone? So
Yes,
based
sir.
on yes. Okay, so based on that, we have to move further that how to create an HTML and how to go for that a particular web page creation using a HTML. So again, I'll revise it within a 5 to 10 minutes. So previously, whatever we done are that. So please attend attention for the those who were absent in previous session. Previous we have done that creation of first exercise of the creations of web page using HTML. So first tag, this is called as the tag in the HTML part. So first tag is the HTML. Between this HTML starting and ending tag, for example, this is my starting tag and this is my closing tag. How can we find out that this is a closing tag in the HTML part? So when a tag will mention a forward slash, just like over here, this forward slash I mention in this tag, so that considered as a closing tag of the HTML part. Clear? So between a two starting and closing tag, whatever you are right, that will be considered as a part of the web page, that we already seen in the previous lab and previous demonstration. So HTML is the starting tag. At each and every web pages will be starting with this HTML, means as a design part. So then after the head tag is there. Now head tag has a one more tag that is called as the title tag. Now title tag, those who were present in previously, they know very well that what is the meaning of that title tag. The title tag is used to display the title of your web pages, and title we can't directly assign as in the web page. So first of all we have to mention the head tag, and inside of that head tag we are just mention in the title tag. So in the title, whatever we are mention, my first web page, just a second. So I have to finish my, I have to close this title tag. Parth and Mohammed Riksan. Parth, am I audible to you?
सर उसने सर अपना ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं किया होगा सर.
Okay, Parth, if you hear me, then that some instructions are given to you that you must have to rename yourself when you join. So first your roll number, then after underscore, and then your name must be displayed. And Parth, if you are in a batch, then this session is for the A batch. If you are in B batch, then some other classroom is conducted. So either you can answer me in a chat box. Parth, you can answer me in a chat box. Mohammed Riksan, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you, Mohammed, Rikshan, Parth?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who's answering?
Friction.
Rikshan, there's some instructions are given to you by your CC that once you join in the any classroom, that you must have to mention your name first, your roll number, then after underscore, and then your name. Yeah. So today I'll allow to you, but next time I will not allow this. Parth, once I remove that, you can't rejoining. It's okay, Mohammed. Today I'll be. It's okay. Parth, once I remove, you can't join me in this meeting. So either answer me, otherwise you have to
Okay.
repeat. Anyone know that who is this Parth? Parth is in a batch or
Sir, there are Parth Parmar. He is in the B batch, I think so.
got it.
Yes, sir. He is in B batch.
Uh,
Sir, I am a B bench.
okay, who's in B batch? Parth, it's okay.
Yes.
Parth, Parth is in the B batch. Parth Parmar,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Anyone else is still in B batch and right now here is attending my lecture?
Yes.
Yes, you can exit from this session and you have to join the B batch session because
Okay, sir.
okay, because I don't mind that, but your absence will be there.
Okay, sir.
I can't put your presence in my session right now. Okay, so get back to the our performance practical. Okay, so this is not available. Okay, so what we have to done over here? So HTML, then after a closing tag of the HTML. First, we have to do in this way. Clear? So we can't forget that this tag will be miss out that the ending tag. So after that heading tag and then after title tag. Clear? So what is the use of this title tag? Title tag is used to display the title of your web page. Clear? I am talking about the web page. I'm not talking about the website. So I hope everyone is clear the difference between that. What is the difference between web page and website? And I already given this demonstrations that if someone change the another or someone jump on the another web pages, then maybe title will be changed. Is it clear for everyone that yes, international students is also in a batch now, so all are combined right now. So previous we have done this way to create our various. Okay, I'm just sharing my whole screen. Okay, is it visible to open my notepad to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see, we have to write our code in the notepad file. Clear? Because notepad is this basic editor for the HTML. So whatever you are write, that you have to mention in this notepad file. So head tag, then title.
Sir,
Yes.
may I?
Yes, Nishant.
Sir, we can also use doc type, na?
Yes,
In place of
yes,
HTML,
I'll be
sir.
explain each and everything because once we have to start as a most basic part, then after we move to that next, if we are adding over here something else, then what will be the difference between that? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, my first web page. Then we have complete that title. Then head tag we have to end over here, and then whatever you want to mention or whatever you want to display as a web page, that you must have to mention in the body tag. Just like I want to mention that only one, my name is Hiren. Clear? And I'm just ending this p tag. Now no any tag is considered as a case sensitive. You can mention a capital or small, whatever you want. Yeah, but I suggest that you just follow the particular one flow that must be a concrete for everyone. Every tag must be defined in this small abcd, so each and every time we can't confuse, we will be not confused about this. Yeah, each and every one, keep in mind that whenever we mention any particular tag, that tag we will mention in the small abcd. Yeah, so it will be not confusing for that, for us, that so is there any problematic in the display part, because html has some limitations are there. It will not given to you any error, but if you have any error, it will not display your content. Yeah, now error means in a C language or any particular language, they are providing that this line has an error. Clear? Your code will not execute. But if you have any error in the HTML, it will not reflect to you any error. It is not displayed the content of your part. So this is my first part, and we know that how to save this file. First of all, save this file with .html. Anywhere in your system you can use it. Clear? Anywhere in your system you can use it to store your file, but only one condition, that you must have to store your file with .html, because each and every file must be as an extension. Clear? And now this file, whatever we are creating as a web page, this file has an extension as the .html file. Why this .html? Because we want to create a HTML web pages. That's why we have to mention .html file. Name anything you can mention h1. That doesn't mean that these are the rules are there, we must have to mention that h1. You can mention anything. So up to now everyone is clear, those who were absent in previous session, that also. Is there any questions from your side up to now?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm asking to
No.
I'm asking to special those who were absent in previous session.
Sir,
Yes, Moise.
sir, P means paragraph, no?
Yes, P means paragraph, and one more tag just like that, PRE, that is pre-formatted. But we will be
Okay,
cover
sir.
each and every tags one by one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so is there any confusion? Is not. Okay, now how to execute this file? Now suppose I am just stored my this file in my desktop. So if you are stored your file with the HTML extension, then automatically it will be generate your default browser symbol to your file. Just like this is my default browser in my system is the Google Chrome. Now we know that each and every web page must be execute in the
Browser.
just a second. Yes, Dinah, that's why I'm asking to you. Previous class, I'll be provide you one that link. Today, I'll be provide you that link in your WhatsApp group. Yes, I'll be provide you all the tags, or you can use anywhere from the website. Clear, Abhay? Okay, so I'm just double click on this. So it is open and it is displayed as per my content. So I mention in my body tag that is my name is Hiren. And if you observe the tab of this, now see my first web page, that was my title of this web page. So it is displayed over here. That is a tab of this title. Now always tab is used as a title of your web pages. If I'm jump on the other page and it is covered, that title of that particular web page is. I hope everyone is clear about this. First of all, we have to write all this code in the notepad file, then save this notepad file with .html extension anywhere in your computer. Then after, suppose you want to edit it, so you just write your another, I am studying in Marwadi University. So this, now I'm save this file. Clear? Because already my file is in my system. So when I save this file, it is overwrite to the old file. Clear? Now what should I have to do? My web page is already open. I have to just refresh my web pages and it is catch all this code from my file and it is displayed. So whatever I edited. So my name is Hiren. Then after I edited one more line, that is I am studying in Marwadi University. So it will be a change in my display of web pages. Clear? So previous we have to complete up to now. And then after I given to you that one homework is that why HTML is called as the hypertext or markup. So I hope everyone is complete this homework. Okay, who can give the answer of this question?
Sir, may I?
Okay, raise your hand so I can allow or I can choose that from it. Okay, Moiz, Abhay, Nishant. Out of 22, only 3 students are complete their homework and they are able to answer me. What about other students? I given to this homeworks to each and everyone. Just a second for 1 minute. Okay, students, why only 3 students are able to give this answer? What about other students? They are not complete their homework or any other reason? First, raise your
Sir.
hand those who are complete the homework. Yes, Jeet.
सर मेरे पास पीसी नहीं है सर.
Okay, but I told you that previously you have to note down this code in your notebook. Then after you have to complete your homework in the notebook part. Then today I'll be allow you, and today I'll be learn to you how to use that online. But have you completed in a notebook? Have you completed your homework in a notebook, Jeet?
No sir.
See, I told you previously, for whatever I given to you, that you must have to mention in the notebook. The practical subject is okay, but if you are not good in the writing practice, then you don't be expect that you are good for in practically. First you have to write your code for each and every time in the notebook. Then and then you are very confident to practical session. Okay, Harsh Shangvi, can you give me that answer? Harsh Shangvi, unmute yourself and give me that answer. What is answer?
Sorry sir. Please pardon.
I given to you homework. Can you speak the answer of this? Why HTML is called as the hypertext? And what is the meaning
Yeah
of
sir.
this markup?
हाँ sir. एक minute. Hello sir. I written one paragraph sir.
Okay. Answer me then.
A web page is a document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in a browser. A web page can be accessed by a containing a URL. A web page is often used to provide information to viewers. The internet consists of millions of web pages. Web pages are made of HTML elements. Each element are of different text. Hypertext markup language is the standard for document designed to be displayed in a web browser.
Okay. Harsh, I think you collect the answer about the web pages. Actually, my question was, what is the meaning of hypertext in HTML? Why it's called as the hypertext? And what is the meaning of
Okay.
this markup? Okay,
Okay.
Nishant,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
answer me that. What is the meaning of that hypertext?
So hypertext means a sir, a set of markup symbols or code which is used to display things on internet, sir.
Okay. Mm. Okay, Abhay, what is your answer?
Sir, hypertext refers to the hyperlinks that the web page or the website might
Okay.
contain,
Okay.
and markup refers to the tags
Yes.
that are used to define the layout.
Perfect answer. Very good, Abhay. Correct answer. That is the hypertext means what? If I mention over here as a one link and I'm just click on that link and I can jump on the any other web pages. So that is called as the hypertext. Clear? So that hypertext means anywhere or from anywhere you can jump onto the any web pages. That is called as the hypertext. Okay, Moise and Vatsal, I'll give chance to you the next questions. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Abhay.
What is the difference between a URL and a hyperlink?
URL is always telling about the website address, and the hyperlink is always in text formatting, and that will be jump on that another web pages or another website. Clear? Hyperlink
Sir.
is hyperlink we can't paste into the URL, just like did you see my this web pages, this part, see user Hiren desktop h1.html? Did you see this part?
Yes, sir.
So this is called as the URL part. So any particular URL we have to mention, or we have to just type over here in the browser part, and we can access this. But we can't mention this over here as a hyperlink part. We have to click on that hyperlink part. But we can say that URL, we can mention the URL as a hyperlink. That is okay in some Wikipedia, or that is okay.
Sir, so hyperlink is a hidden URL.
No. Again, you are in wrong way. Hyperlink means one of the text formatted are there that you can click on it and it will be redirect to you any web pages or any website are there. Just like
Wikipedia ma.
that Wikipedia always use this hyperlink are there. So once you click on that, that will be redirect to you any particular website or web pages are there, and that website web address is called as the URL part. The full form is Universal Resource Locator.
Sir, to hidden links no હોય ને?
No, that not hidden links are there, but hyperlinks provide some hidden part are there that that is a different features of it, but it's not a, we can say that it's a hidden. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So up to now everyone is clear, I think. Now today we will learn, or next whatever we will be learn, so we can directly starting this text. So I'm just changing of my this code. Now before I'm going to that next updations, I always targeting to that each and every student. So those who don't have any system, they can also use, or they can also perform the practical using this website. So in a W3 schools, they are providing the editor, online editor are there. You can write your code. So I'm just copy my this code. I'll share this link in the WhatsApp group. So you can just click on that and it will be redirect to you. Suppose I'm just pasting my this code over here. You can directly write this code in this editor part. And then after you can see the right side of your output part. Just a second, I'm just closing this. I'm just running. So this output will be displayed in the right side of it. Clear? So those who don't have any system, they can use their mobile to use this W3 schools editor. This called as the online editor are there for the HTML part. Get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For example, I'm just changing my code. Suppose my second web page, and now we are learning that new tag, that is PRE. Clear? And I'm knowing that my name is Hiren, then I am living in Rajkot, and I am working in Marwadi University. Clear? And just I am closing this PRE tag, and be careful, then right side it will be displayed that your output. Clear? See, PRE tag, that is used as a pre-formatted tag. Now see, previously we learn about that the p tag that is called as the paragraph tag. If you want to display that a new line, clear, new line, so every time we have to choose that a p tag or p1 tag, clear. But now suppose I don't want to that each and every line as a new tag, but whatever I write that will be displayed as a paragraph, so it will be mentioned as a new line. So when I write over here as a p, now p tag, once you start your pre tag, so it will be considered in the left alignment, clear. Now in the next line, whenever I complete my this pre tag, it is leave this space, clear. It is already in my code file, so it is displayed in the output also. So that is called as the pre-formatted tag, or pre-formatted text is also considered. Now suppose you are using like this way, and I'm space of second line, so it will be moving to the right side. Getting my point that what is the meaning of this pre tag? That is pre-formatted,
Yes, sir.
pre-formatted tag. So whatever you write between this pre starting and pre ending tag, it will be displayed same as in your web pages. So if you are
Okay.
leaving a 10 space between left alignment and the starting of the second statement, so it will be displayed as same as it is as per your code file. Clear? Suppose I am entered over here, one space is there, so automatically one space of your row will be removed from the second and third line. Is it clear for everyone that what is the meaning of this pre tag?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any
sir.
confusion?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Suppose I mention over here as a p tag, and I'm just p tag over here. Oops, sorry. So now see, when I use this p tag, so it will not considered same as it is your code file. It is considered in a same line, because we must have to complete our paragraph tag in each and every line. Then and then the new p tag will be considered as a new line in the web page display. I hope everyone is clear and difference between that P and PRE tag. PRE tag is only for the starting and ending tag, whatever you want to display as a paragraph. Clear? No need to mention that each and every line that P tag and ending of P tag. But if you use this P tag, you must have to complete your first line and must be ending with the P tag. So again, I'm in second line starting my p tag. So what will happen over here? What will be happen, or how my statement will be displayed? Any idea?
Sir, I'm leaving will move to the second line along with I'm working at Marwadi University.
Yes, perfect. My name is Hiren will be displayed in a first line. Then I am living in Rajkot. I am working in Marwadi University. These two statement will be displayed in a second line. Why it's called display in a second line? Because see this p tag. P tag is starting from the first line, but I already ended with the first line. Get this point, the difference between P and PRE tag?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a one more solutions are there. Suppose I don't want to mention or don't want to write a P tag in each and every line. So what should I have to do? Suppose I want to display that this line is the new line. So I have to use that BR. Clear? So BR tag is used to break the line. Clear? If you don't want to display or if you don't want to write that each and every line a P tag, then also you want to display this line, I am living in Rajkot, in the new line, then you must have to use the BR tag, that is a break the line. And break the line is only for the single or singular tag are there, that is not, no need to end this tag. See why it's called as the singular, or we can say that it's a single tag, because BR not need to complete or ending tag, it's only for the starting. So system will consider that after the completion of this line they have to move the next line, break the line. So whatever will be displayed in the code file, that will be covered or that will be displayed in the next line of the web pages. Again,
Sir,
yes.
sir, if we use PRE tag
Okay.
and we use break tag, then sir, what will happen?
Then again, see, PRE tag is the pre-formatted, whatever you are writing, clear, whatever you are writing, it will be displayed. And when you use that BR tag, it is considered the break the line. Just I'm using PRE. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Just a second, I'll give you the demonstration. Clear? See, my name is Hiren. I am living in Rajkot. It is in same line, but between these two statement, my name is Hiren and I am living in Rajkot. Between these two statement, I put BR tag. So BR tag will perform as per its features. So what is the features of BR tag? It will be moved to the next line. So after the BR tag, whatever you are write, it will be displayed in the next line. Now,
Sir,
yes.
if I'm living in Rajkot was in the second in the next line, will it add a space?
After the statement of this,
Sir, in the code.
no, it's not a space. It's actually, we can say that it's a space, because this space, then 1 and 2 line, we are moving, we are left it. And then after a third or fourth line, I mentioned that I'm working in Marwadi University. So it will be using that this space, then third line, fourth line, and this fifth line will be displayed as I'm working in Marwadi University. And if
Sir,
you,
I mean after I am I mean before I am living in Rajkot. If you hit enter
over here,
and there is a yeah and there is BR tag,
no,
will
there
it
is a
add
no
a
any,
space?
no, okay, this way.
No, press enter, sir.
Okay, press enter. Okay, so this way.
Yeah, this yes,
Okay,
sir. This way.
okay, now see, computer is always running your code, clear, and always HTML using top to bottom, clear. First, computer system read that this tag HTML, so it is read or it is understand that I have to create some, or a user have created some HTML page, and then in a head part, title is that my second web page. So it is considered that the title must have to display as a my second web page is clear. But see, title will not be displayed when you are using online editor, clear, because this website is providing online editor and it will not displayed as a your title part. So don't be checked or don't be search out that where is my title. Clear? Title will be displayed when you are save your file and then you are running this file, then and then it will be displayed as a tab part. Clear? So as per the top to bottom, the next tag is the body part, and inside of the body, I have mentioned that pre-RE, that is pre-formatted. So after that, whatever I write, it will be considered as it is in my web page displayed. I'm just mentioned that my name is Hiren. Then after I'm using BR tag. So what happened that it is displayed or it is written to the next line. The system moved to the next line, but then after I'm using BR tag is already in my first line. So right now this is my BR tag after the my name is Hiren, and then after I'm starting my new line, I am living in Rajkot, so it will be in a third row. Clear? BR tag is, we can say that output of BR tag is after the my name is Hiren, the next second line, second row, we can say that second row. Get my point, or still any confusion?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
sir, if we use BR tag in a such a big paragraph,
Okay.
then will also BR tag will take the that after BR tag line, it will take the that remaining paragraph into a new line, or it will leave a space.
No, that's why I given to you this demonstration are there. Suppose I'm right now, I'm just mention that BR tag over here. So what it means that after the first line, system has to press enter key. BR tag means once enter key. Clear? So once enter key, so cursor is in second line. But then after again I am starting my new line as I am living in Rajkot. So system, as per the tag, it is displayed in the third line, I am living in Rajkot. Why that I am living in Rajkot, and once this space is uh, displayed because I am leaving this space in my code file. The left side is my code file are there, and right side it is the output of my this web page code. So BR tag, for example, I'm using one more BR tag, then I think you will understand. I'm right, I wrote as two BR tags. So what happened that first line is my name is Hiren, then second line is this, third line is this, and you observe this my arrow movement.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
second row is this my first BR tag, then third row is my second BR tag, and then after I'm right as a new line, that is I'm living in Rajkot, so it will be displayed as a fourth row.
Sir.
Yes, bolo.
Sir. Like see HTML open and close is there.
Yes.
That way we are also there. Open and close.
No, some tag is not required to close it. Clear? Some tag is only, we can say that it's a single tag. There is a no
Oh.
need to closing it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, any question? I hope everyone is clear about the P tag, PRE tag, and BR tag. Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So next we have to learn about the heading tag. Now heading tag, I'm talking about not the head tag. I'm talking about the heading tag. Heading tag is always used to H1 to H6. Clear? For example, I'm using Hiren. Then this Hiren I'm using as between H1. Then after, what is the use of this H1 tag? H1 tag is used to display this Hiren. This string will be displayed as a bold and high format. Clear? This is not a normal font. This is a bold tag and then after it is enlarge the size of this my font. Clear? So suppose I am using H2 tag, so it is little bit decrement mode between H1 and H2 tag. So suppose I am using a same name in the Hiren but H2 tag, but see that is a little bit decrement font size. Clear? So this way we can use the up to H1 to H6. So just I'm using that H3, H3, then H4, H5 and H6. Same as it is, you have to complete your tag with your starting tag H3, then H4, H5 and H6. Now suppose I am run this file, so see this H1 tag will be displayed as a large font size with bold tag. Clear? So once I use this H2 tag, it is decrement mode. Clear? A font will be displayed as a bold, but it is in the font size as a decrement mode. Is it clear for everyone?
Sir, is the font size preset?
Sorry?
The font size, is it preset or can we change it?
No, it's a preset. Once you use that H1 tag, it will be displayed all this tag as a preset tag. Clear? If you want to change your customized font size and font color and any particular features you want to apply it, at that time we use the font tag. Clear,
તો
right?
સર એમાં ફોન્ટ ટેગ પછી બોલ્ડ ટેગ ઇટાલિક્સ
Yes,
ટેગ અંડરલાઇન ટેગ ઈ વાપરવા પડે ને?
yes, everything will be in a pipeline. So once we are moving to that next tag, at that time I'll be cover up each and everything, because I need a confidence from each and every student side, because I don't know in that virtual platform that each and every students are directly connected with me up to now. I hope you are very good. Some of the students are always very good and doing a very good practicing, but still I am not confident about that each and every students are with me. I am talking about
Sir.
that with me, that each and everything, each and every one are understand whatever I deliver to you. Yes.
Sir, means H1 will come to 1 to 6.
No, if you want to display that Hiren as a bold and large format, clear, and that doesn't mean that only name you can display it. You can use anything, just like I'm using that Marwadi University.
Oh,
So it will be covered this Marwadi University in that H1 tag.
yes, okay.
Clear? Why I given to demonstrate with the online? Because if you are using, if you don't have any system, then student can use this online editor. And those who have a system, I'll insist that each and every students, you have to create this each and every time as a new file, save this file and run into the browser.
Sir, if the H1 tag is heading tag is a preset, we can directly use H6, right?
Yes, you
If
can
we
use
want.
it. That depends on your requirement, that what font you are required, what font you want to display. If you want to display this code as a here in this format, this small font, then you can use it directly H6. And if you want to customize in this font displayed, at that time we use the font tag. But one by one we are moving, or we are reaching our target. So day by day we will be learn this new tag. But up to now everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Nishant.
sir, I sir have doubt, but in sir not this format. I have format for doc. Sir, I will send you in a WhatsApp. Can you answer me there?
Okay, after the sessions, I can answer you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. In this, anyone has a confusion?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
so today exercise is this. Today exercise is this. You have to display that Marwadi University in H1 to H6. Yeah. Over here, I'm just write my name, but in place of my name, you have to mention that Marwadi University H1, and then after. Then each and every tag must be mentioned that H1 as Marwadi University, then H2 as Marwadi University, and see the difference between that. Clear? It's only for the practicing, and that H1 to H6, it's a predefined tag for the font. If we want to do as a customize in this font, we are using a font tag. Don't consider that this tag is the final tag. Up to now, is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Students, especially that international students, is any doubt? I'll send you that YouTube link of the previous session, or also the students, those who were absent in previous session. Students, those who don't have any question, that please mute yourself. Nishant and Harsh. Okay, international students. Daina, Ahmad.
No doubt, sir. All clear.
Okay, all clear. That is very good. Daina, clear how to create as a offline as file, or how to create or how to use this online editor.
Sir, Vatsal raised his hand.
Yes, Vatsal, but I think Vatsal has already raised their hand. Previously, I asked for the question answer. Vatsal,
Yeah, sir, it was about HTML. Sorry, sir.
it's okay, no problem. Okay, so I hope no any questions are there. So now today's attendance I'll be taken. Once I speak your name, you have to start your webcam and show me your face. And if I have any questions, or I'll ask one questions regarding this today's session, you have to give me that answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm opening my webcam. Did you see me? Like, hi everyone. Okay, so Nishant.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Once you present, then you can leave. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then Rohan.
Present, sir.
Rohan, can you open your webcam? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Rohan. Good morning. Okay, Rohan, you can leave. The next one is 11. Jeet.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Where are you, Jeet? I can't see you. Okay, Jeet. Just a second, Jeet. Where is Khush Bhayani? Yug Mirani. खुश पायाणी युग मीराणी Vishnu.
Kush is there, sir. Kush is there.
I can't see that. Khush.
Sir, at the very end of the list.
Down, down.
Okay,
Sir.
Khush. Kush, are you able to hear me? Rohan and Jit, Nishant, you can also leave. Don't worry to attend up to end.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vishnu Vadodaria, roll number 9. Is there?
Sir, I think Kush is having some internet problem. That's why he might not be responding.
Okay, no worry. Okay. Then Vishnu is there? No, I think 11. 16, Vivek Tanna.
Yes, sir.
Can you open your webcam so I can see you? Okay, Vivek, done. Then Moise,
Yes, sir.
where are you, Moise?
Here only.
That I know that, but you open your webcam so I can see you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Moise. Okay, Danish, roll number 27 is not there. Mayank
Yes,
Baltani.
sir.
Uh,
Sir, I am
okay,
Danish.
Dennis, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, open your webcam because still.
Yes.
Okay, Dennis, previously you attended my session.
No, sir, I was absent.
Okay, then today I'll send one YouTube link of previous sessions. You just refer it, and is there any question you can ask me?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Mayank.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mayank Baldania. Then Rahul Bhimani.
Present.
Where is Rahul Bhimani? Rahul, I can't see you. Hitarth. Okay, Rahul, are you there? Okay, then Hitarth Dholakia. It's not there. Then Jai Chanyara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jai. Harsh Shangvi.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, Harsh. What's
Hello.
up? Okay, Neil. Neil
Yes, sir.
Rayani. Okay,
Present, sir.
Neil. Abhay Nathwani.
Present, sir.
Okay, Abhay. Rhythm.
Present, sir.
Okay, Rhythm. Harsh Shardara.
Present, sir.
Okay, Harsh. Then Sujat Sheikh. Then roll number 40. Arvinda. Not that. Dinah. Roll number 35. Mohammed.
Present, sir.
Mohammed, can you start your video? Okay, Mohammed. Rikshan, good to see you. Okay,
Thank you,
Khush.
sir.
Okay, Khush, are you able to open your webcam? Because previously we can see your, if you are, I think you are eaten a pizza. New display.
Kush left, sir.
Who's left?
Left.
Okay then.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I just WhatsApped you my an HTML
Okay.
file. Sir, can you
Just
see
a
that?
second, I'm opening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so your question is,
Sir, I sir had doubt that the lining, no, that border, it's correct or not.
Actually, Nishant, if I'm opening this file in my mobile, so it is only show me that output, not showing me that your code. What is your actual code?
Okay, sir. Sir, no, but you have to open in your computer. No, I think so.
Yes, I know, but it is directly redirect me to the browser part.
Okay,
I
sir.
can share my screen, sir, if you
Sir,
want. He can send it to me.
sir, I can also share it. Can I share it screen and show you, sir?
Yes, Nishant, you can.
Okay, sir. Uh, sir, you have disabled it, sir.
Just a second. I'm just okay.
Yes, sir.
So students, those who don't have any questions, they can leave. But if you want to see the what they are actually displaying, so you can stay over here. Okay. See, this Nishant, you are already using that CSS tag. That
Yes,
style,
sir.
yeah, that style tag is there, and in that
Yes, sir.
style
Yes, sir.
tag you are used that a border 2px 2 pixel and solid black color will be displayed.
Yes, sir.
So your question is based on your code, it is displayed a proper or not? Is this your question
Yes.
or anything else?
Ye- No, sir. It is
Based on
correct
your
or
code.
not?
Okay, now show me
Yes,
your
sir.
output.
Okay, sir. Uh, so this is my output, sir.
It's correct.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. Yes.